Imagine if there was just one simple thing you could add to your hair care routine that could take your growth from slow and frustrating to fast, visible, and healthy hair. I'm talking about something that doesn't just sit on your hair, but actually penetrates your scalp, wakes up dormant follicles, and makes your strands look fuller and stronger than ever. I found this DIY recipe that could actually make your hair grow massively. At first, I didn't believe it, but I decided to give it a try, spraying it on my scalp and strands, morning and night, for 30 days. Guys, I've gained over an inch. Watch this video to the end because I'll be showing you everything. If this is what you want, then stay with me to the end to see how I prepared, apply and store this treatment. This deep red spray from a few simple ingredients you could easily find in your kitchen or local market. I call this the hair waking water, and it could make your hair grow like weeds after the rain. Imagine having hair so healthy, so full of life that people stop and ask you, what is your secret? So guys, for the preparation, you will need three natural powerhouses that each targets hair health in their own way. Our first ingredient is moringa. Moringa leaves are rich in essential nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids. All these nutrients contained in moringa leaves reduces hair loss, promotes hair growth, strengthens hair, and nourishes your scalp. Our second ingredient is bay leaf. Bay leaf is loaded with antioxidants that can nourish hair follicles, promoting a healthy environment for growth, and this leads to hair growth and thickness. Bay leaves contains antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties which can help fight dandruff and other scalp issues like dryness and itchiness. Moving on, our third ingredient is hibiscus. Hibiscus are a popular natural remedy for promoting hair growth and improving hair health. They are rich in vitamins and antioxidants that nourishes the scalp and hair follicles, potentially leading to thicker, stronger, and shinier hair. Hibiscus can also help with premature growing of hair when used consistently. When you combine these three ingredients together, you create a simple, powerful hair growth booster. So guys, I'm trying to get everything out from the blender. So guys, this is how this treatment looks like. Let's head over to heat this with the double boiler method. And I've told you guys a lot of times in my video, if you must heat your treatment, make sure to use the double boiler method. I've told you the reasons. This is so that all the nutrients will still be intact. You will not lose any nutrient. So after heating for about some minutes, when you notice that the color has changed, you off the heat and allow to cool. So once everything is cool, strain with a cheesecloth and not with a sieve. You see the reason why I said you should strain with a cheesecloth and not with a sieve. Pour this treatment into your spray bottle, and if you do not have a spray bottle, I've taught you and I've showed you how to customize a DIY spray bottle. And once you've put that into your spray bottle, it's ready for use. So guys, this treatment is so potent and is so active. Yeah, so this is the reason why I said you should use a sieve cloth to sieve this treatment. Alright guys, so heading over to the application. Spray this treatment directly onto your scalp and massage gently for 3 to 5 minutes to boost blood flow. I've emphasized in my videos the benefits of massaging your scalp. It is very, very important. As you apply your DIYs, you massage your scalp. Use this spray 3 to 4 times in a week on dry or damp hair. No need to rinse out. If you must use this treatment as a rinse, Then it should be the final thing you do after washing your hair. Your hair doesn't have to stay stuck at the same length for months. I've explored different ways to boost hair growth and retain length, but this simple method worked the way I didn't expect. So if you're tired of breakage, dryness, and shedding stealing your length, then you need to try this. This hair growth spray works because it targets the root cause of slow growth by increasing blood circulation and delivering essential vitamins and antioxidants directly into your hair follicles. If you have been searching for a home remedy for hair growth that actually works, try this spray and let me know how it transforms your hair. The best way to grow your hair fast isn't just using the right treatment, it's also being consistent and taking care of your scalp. For faster results, make sure you are drinking enough water, sleeping well, and eating protein-rich food. For the hairspray, store in the refrigerator. So guys, here is a quick and important question. How is your hair growth journey? How have it been going with the DIYs, the oils? Let me know in the comment section. Remember, growing long, healthy hair fast is possible with the right natural care and patience. If you find this video helpful, give me a thumbs up, comment and share with your friends who need it. Remember to show your girls some love by clicking on that subscribe button. It's free. Thanks so much for watching this video. See you in my next one. Bye.